Hello everybody, how you all doing? Today I'm making ogbono and okra soup. This is the okra, this is the ground ogbono, this is my spices, no cube I've broken. This is my crayfish and my locust beans, ogiri or iru. This is my chopped onions. This is my bonga fish, herring, dry fish. That is my little dry shrimps. That's my little stockfish. That's my chili powder and my fresh bonnet pepper, and that is my frozen spinach. This okra is frozen. Normally when I buy plenty of okra, I chop them up and put them in the freezer. This is my palm oil. This is my salted meat, turkey, chicken, shaki, and pomo is there. So right now guys, let's crack on. Putting my onions in my saucepan. Yeah, let's reduce the heat too much. That is the onions cooking. So I'm gonna put in my ogbono to fry. That is my ogbono frying. That is how we do it in Africa. Put the crayfish and the roux in there. Keep it in there. It's frying. So I'm gonna tip in my boiling water in the ogbono. Let's cover it a little bit to cook quickly before I start putting the rest stuff in there. So now it's steaming together. I haven't cooked this soup for a very long time. You know, I do other bits, but not this. So I'm gonna tip in while the ogbono is cooking. I don't know the way you call ogbono in English language, but those who are from West Africa, where I come from, they will know what I'm talking about, ogbono. So I'm gonna put in the okra. This is like real native food soup down back home in the villages where our grandmother cooked them. You know, I put in the okra, the ogbono, the dry fish all cooking together. So that is the okra. Okra, you know. People have ways of calling it okra. A lot of people eat okra, you know. So I hope everybody's keeping safe, is well, you know. I got my fish here, my sea bass fish. It's fresh. If you want to do yours dry first before you use it, that is great. I just leave it fresh. So I'm using fresh bonnet chili and dry pepper as well. So it's all cooking in there. So I'm gonna bang in my chili pepper. It's good when you use the fresh one, you know, you can hear that aroma of fresh chili pepper. That hot bonnet chili pepper. Atarodo, they call it rodo. Atarodo, the Jamaica call it bonnet chili. So I put in 2 with dry pepper, dry chili as well. So I put in my cube. So allow it to steam. Just adding some palm oil. So I got some people on my channel that subscribe, and I subscribe back to them as well. But please, if you subscribe and I didn't, come on YouTube to check, please do not send me any nasty message, please. Let's respect each other. Like I was watching one of my subscribers, and I subscribe to her channel. She's saying, let us have genuine supporters, genuine subscribers. Make sure you are genuine. Please, I am very genuine person and honest person, respectable woman, with grown-up children and grandchildren. So please, let's respect ourselves here. Don't send me nasty messages, please, or F-word messages. Please, let's respect ourselves. Okay, I'm very genuine. I'll watch your channel and I will subscribe and I will leave nice comments for you. And we are friends, like we support each other. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna start tipping in my meat. The fish will be last because I don't want the fish to go broken. So I'm gonna put my shaki, my pomo, whatever, my turkey is there, chicken is there, pomo is there, another chicken, another pomo. I don't always eat this all the time. Occasionally I eat African soup. Occasionally. The other day I did the goosey. Today I'm doing okra and ogbono soup. It's only me one in this house. Only me one gonna eat this soup. My other half will not eat ogbono or goosey, but he eats stew, eat rice, yam, plantain, dodo, beans, moi moi, akara. But ogbono soup, he will tell you it's very sloppy. Yibo man, he will tell you say the soup is sloppy. So if they eat vegetable soup, if I make vegetable soup like stew where we use it to eat boiled yam or fried yam, fried plantain, if I cook porridge, it likes porridge. So this is the ogbono soup. It's cooking. Let me cover it so it can quickly simmer. So I will put the sea bass fish last because I don't want the fish to go broken. Okay, guys? So keep subscribing, my new subscribers, my new friends. Leave your nice comments. And let's be friends. Let's be genuine subscribers, to support each other to grow. If there is anywhere I make mistake in my cooking, please just drop your comment down there. I welcome criticism. I accept criticism, so that I can learn and improve. Okay, guys? Thumbs up for this video if you like this ogbono and okra soup I cooked today with spinach. If there is any improvements, please do not hesitate to drop your comments. So let's have a look then and see how it's cooking. That is the ogbono and okra soup. See? So I'm gonna put the remaining onions. I fried some. I didn't fry this one, so I want this one to give that flavor. When you cook this okra and ogbono, you can use ugu leaf, you can use spinach, you can use kale, you can use the green, different vegetables in the Western world that you can use. You can use dry ugu, you can use bitter leaf. Sometimes I like bitter leaf so that when I eat it, I can, have that bitter thing in my tongue, So I'm gonna put my fish now. That fish will go last, because if you put it first, the fish gonna scatter. I don't want the fish to scatter. I want, after the ogbono soup is cooked, I want to enjoy my fish, you know. I should have grilled it, but oh, I didn't think quickly. But I want it fresh as well. Sometimes you use fresh fish to cook your ogbono soup. It's lovely. You know, you enjoy it more. Let me cover it so that I can bubble quick. That's my my spice gallery is up there. Oh, I'm crazy with spices. Honestly, guys, crazy. So it's cooking. That's my ogbono soup, ogbono and okra. See, I have to be careful when I'm turning it so it doesn't break. I don't want it to break. The stuffed fish can break, but so tonight or anytime, this soup, you know, you can eat it with eba, fufu, pounded yam, semovita, you know, cornmeal, plantain, fufu, amala fufu. I'm having mine with amala fufu. I'm eating this soup with amala fufu. You know, I'm having amala. I'm eating it with amala. Don't want my fish to break. This is beautiful, man. This is delicious. Oh, there is too much chili. Oh my God. Because I put in that chili bonnet and two. I used 2 of the chili bonnets. Mistakenly go and put another dry powder. Oh my God. It's hot, man. Oh, not in this hot water. I'm eating this hot soup. So this is the soup now, you know. So please go down below the Conco bell. Thumbs up, subscribe, leave your comments. And when I go to my channel, as soon as I see new subscribers, please be patient with me. If you subscribe and drop me a message to go and subscribe in your channel, I will definitely, you know, genuinely subscribe. That is it. I'm not here for competition with anybody. I'm here. This is my hobby. Cooking, baking, you know. Doing the things I like, the things that occupies me, you know. So guys, take care and remain safe. Okay? Remain safe. And bye.